Hey everyone, this is Sonal and welcome back to my channel. I was this close to not releasing an a video today because of course I didn't record anything throughout this week. I initially thought I'll do a poetry or post one of my old paintings, but I finally stopped procrastinating and I decided to shoot something. I am doing this in the very last minute, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to post this before midnight when it technically won't be Sunday anymore, but here I am. As you can see, I changed my location today because why not? Also because my birds are in the balcony and I have to take care of them because no one is at home. So here I am in the living room. I started listening to podcasts since the last couple or so years ago because it turned out that podcasts and audiobooks do work in putting my insomnia at bay. I started listening to them and I would eventually fall asleep in a relatively short period of time. So I started loving podcasts. I started listening to more and more of them. The funny part is that I would listen to horror podcasts. I still listen to horror podcasts to put me to sleep. So here are 7 of my favorite, again, favorite means one, but anyway, 7 of my favorite horror podcasts that you should definitely check out if you are someone who loves horror stories of any kind. So without further ado, let's get started. Haunted Places was the very first horror podcast, or for that matter, the very first podcast that I had come across. I just opened Spotify one day, and for no apparent reason, I found that the the album art of the podcast was beckoning me to listen to it. But yep, that's how I came across it. As the name suggests, Haunted Places is a podcast that talks about the hauntings and the horrors of real life places, things that we have already known about, or about places that we don't really know. For example, stories of Bhangar Fort, or I don't know whatever other haunted places are there. I mean, I know, it's just that it's not coming to my mind. So if you are someone who really likes to listen to or read about or know about the hauntings of places, real life places, then this podcast is going to help you a lot. Do give it a listen. I will be linking all the podcasts below, so thank me later. Welcome to the Night Vale is a fairly recent discovery of mine. It is basically a radio show in the form of podcast on Spotify. I haven't really listened to a lot of its episodes, perhaps 10 or 15, but I really loved it. It came across as a suggestion for something else that I was listening to. It is basically about, wait, how many basicallys was that? It is about a small desert town called Night Vale and all the creepy things that happen there based on local news and events or police cases. So that is pretty much it about Welcome to the Night Vale. You are going to love it if you love horror. Bas itna. This is the most info I can give you because I don't want to kill the vibe or overhype it and then you come back to me, अरे ये क्या बोल दिया मैंने क्या सुन लिया. Pseudopod is a podcast that I stumbled upon a few months ago and I really loved it. That's 3 really, so that's how much I loved it. The Podcast is one of the longest running podcasts, probably 10 years or something like that, 10, 11 years. The content there is pretty graphic. It's related to death, blasphemy, all kinds of crimes, and all kinds of horrors. The stories are, of course, fictional, and some of them are original works of people. But the content there, like I said, can get very graphic and very disturbing. So if you are someone who is easily disturbed, or if you feel that certain kinds of content end up giving you nightmares, then trigger warning, this is totally not for you, and definitely not for children. So if you want to listen to it, then go ahead at your own discretion. I love the Magnus Archive. I love it more than I really love a lot of people, so I can't take all their names. Some of those people don't even know me, so. But I really love the Magnus Archives. I am currently in its fourth season. It has 5 seasons. The Magnus Archive is a combination of supernatural incidents and psychological horror. Each episode has a different story happening, but there is a basic storyline that links all of them. The main character, Jonathan Sims, not Sims, Jonathan Sims, is an archivist at the Magnus Institute, and he has the duty of archiving all the supernatural recordings or stories that they have received from people. And as a matter of in due course of time, things happen because of the recordings and because of the institute and the people related to it. I don't really want to spill a lot of tea there, but it's something that you need to listen to get the essence of it and to grip its actual horror and thrill that's going on. So if you listen to the Magnus Archive, please do come back to me. I have a lot to discuss. Please. If you have ever used Reddit, even for a month, not seeing a day, because you really can't process all of Reddit in a single day, and if you love even the subtlest of horror, then you must have come across the No Sleep subreddit, or you must have at least heard of it from somewhere or the other. No surprises there. The No Sleep podcast is a continuation of the No Sleep subreddit. Again, like Pseudopod, the No Sleep subreddit is one of the longest running podcasts. It initially started out with the posts made in Reddit on the particular subreddit. They started featuring those, and eventually they started including more stories from other people as well. So I love it. Again, I know I am saying I love a lot of podcasts, but my love for No Sleep podcast is almost as high as my love for the Magnus Archives. I haven't listened to it for a while now, but whenever I do tune back in, it never fails to amuse me. So go ahead, give it a listen. Knife Point Horror is a podcast that I stumbled upon a month or so ago when I was cleaning my wardrobe, and I got so involved in it that I stopped cleaning my wardrobe just so that I could binge listen to the podcast. I really loved the stories. The podcast is basically an anthology of horror suspense. It is written and enacted by Soren Nagnia, and the stories are really engaging, and you can actually visualize them in your head. The voice, the music, The stories, all of them are just so beautiful. That sounds twisted of me to say, given the fact that it is a horror podcast, but if you do listen to them, then you'll understand my feeling. So, give Knife Point Horror a listen, and if you do, we can discuss. Something Scary is a podcast that I listen to when I am painting or sketching late at night, and it really does push me to get my work done. It was earlier hosted by Sapphire Sandalo, and now it's hosted by Markia McCarthy. You can find them on Instagram. The podcast is a collection of stories that they have found on Reddit, or if people have mailed them, or wherever else they can find them. The podcast is about all sorts of supernatural stories like folk tales, creepy tales, urban legends, personal experiences, like I said. They're really nice and simple, and you can imagine them, of course. Every episode had a particular theme, so the stories are aligned to the theme. For example, frozen souls, elemental evils, witches. You'll get the idea once you start listening to the podcast. Every episode is about 30 to 35 minutes long, with 3 to 4 stories in each episode. So I started listening to the podcast when I used to go on walks in the park, but now that I have started going with my dad, so I don't listen to the podcast anymore. I have switched the timings to my painting time, but I really love the podcast. Another podcast that I love, but do give it a listen if you are someone who likes to listen to a lot of fictional things. Alright, that was it for today's video. As you can see, I am back to my room because my parents came back and I had to shoot somewhere else, which is funny for a 26-year-old because I should have my rights as an adult. But anyway, I do hope that you like the video. I hope you give these podcasts a listen, and if you do listen to them, please come back and let me know. I would be really happy, and I would also like to discuss the episodes with you, so looking forward to that. If you are new to my channel, if you came across my video somehow today, then I post videos every Sunday. I post videos about art, movies, music, books, poetry, photography. I'm doing podcast for the first time, and I post other random stuff. You will like the content here. I am very sure, or at least I'm very hopeful about it. If you are an old subscriber, then thank you for staying subscribed. I would be really happy if you could get other people to subscribe as well. If you like today's video, do give it a like, comment, share it, and of course ask other people to subscribe to my channel. I would really love it. Forgot what else I had to say. There are bloopers towards the end, so feel free to laugh at me. And until next time, bye. Alright, that's it for. Why is it that my fan sounds completely non-existent at maximum speed, but when the speed is 4, it sounds like someone is choking it? Why is it already Sunday evening? Where did my weekend go?